XT with 32 gigabytes RAM in Diablo IV or similar modern games usually does not mean your system is actually out of RAM. It's typically VRAM, GPU memory, driver, or memory allocation issues. Here's how to fix it properly. #fix out of memory error RX 9070 XT 32 gigabytes RAM. 1. Lower VRAM heavy settings, most important. Even high-end GPUs can overflow VRAM in bad settings. Turn down texture quality, very important. Shadow quality, ray tracing off completely. Resolution scale, try 90 to 100%. High textures plus RT equals instant VRAM spike. Number 2, restart GPU driver, quick fix. Press Wins, Control-Shift-B. Screen flickers, driver resets. 3, check VRAM usage in-game. If VRAM hits max, you will get crashes or memory errors. Reduce textures immediately. 4, update or roll back GPU driver. Install latest AMD driver. If issues started after update, roll back. One version AMD drivers can sometimes mismanage VRAM allocation. Number 5, disable background overlays. Turn off Discord overlay, AMD Adrenalin overlay, Steam's/Xbox game bar. 6, increase virtual memory, page file fix. Even with 32 gigabytes RAM, Windows search advanced system settings, performance, advanced virtual memory, set initial 8192 megabytes, max 24576 to 32768 megabyte. 7, switch to full screen, exclusive/borderless. Try switching display mode. Some engines leak memory in borderless mode. Clear shader cache. Corrupted shaders can fake memory errors. AMD Adrenalin graphics reset shader cache. 9, stop memory leaks. Important. If error happens after playing for a while, restart game every 1 to 2 hours. Memory leaks are common in large ARPGs. 10, if using ultramods, high textures, disable HD texture packs. Reduce mod packs, if any installed. Best fix combo, fastest. Lower textures plus disable ray tracing, restart shader cache. Important reality check. Even with RX 9070 XT, 32 gigabytes RAM, the game can still crash if VRAM allocation spikes or driver misbehaves.